Hello guys, in this video I will discuss how to post in groups without displaying your account name. Before heading to the tutorial, for those of you who haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. The feature to hide names in posts in this group does not apply to all groups. There are some groups that do not activate this feature. It all depends on the admin of the group you follow. So, make sure the group you follow allows posting by hiding your Facebook account name. First, you open the group you want to post something. Then click on the Write Something section. After that, activate the Anonymous Post section here. Then you can start writing something and click on the Post section. It should be noted that although other group members cannot read your Facebook account name, admins and moderators can see your name when they review the post. After it's reviewed and approved, your post will be published in the group without your name. After that, you just need to wait for approval from the group admin. Thank you for watching.